Okay, welcome back to Fun with Canva. We are going to get into another tutorial looking at 3D Artist. It's an app within Canva and it brings your text to life in 3D. So once you've opened up the app, just go here to use a new design and I'm going to choose Instagram Portrait. So it opens up a canvas and then it will open up in the left hand panel here the 3D Artist. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to use the try an example, and it's got a yellow submarine with periscope. So once we've got that, we just go create, and it will create your 3D object. So this is a pretty cool app, and it's brought up a submarine there. Alright, so let's try another one. Try an example, a realistic human face, go create. And it will bring up another 3D object and put it into your design. So you will note here that you have a total of 6 credits every day. So this is a pretty cool app. We'll try another example, pair of trendy shoes, orange and green. Go create. And it will bring another 3D object in. Apologies for the noise there, the beeping. That's my mail. I can't turn off notifications. So there's a pair of trendy shoes. We'll go create another example, a futuristic cityscape with flying cars. Create. You can have so much fun with all this. Alright, and there we go. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Very quick, great app. 6 credits every day. Don't forget to jump onto my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, notify, drop a comment. Thank you very much. Fun with Canva over and